Look how my mind plays.
Little bit of fame, little bit of hate, little bit of change. Watch the craze, keep it sane, don't fade away.
Look how my mind plays.
Hello people, it's a beautiful Saturday afternoon and I'm somewhere in Vakhrewadi and I'm heading out to Shivaji Nagar to change my tires. Now tires are the only thing which remain in contact with the road while you ride your bike. So you gotta get out the best to take out the best. Now when I bought the bike, I got Euro grips both in front and rear, which are considered to be one of the shittiest tires available in the market, but they surprisingly perform good in wet conditions. So as soon as I got the bike, after running in the bike for 2000 kilometers, I replaced the rear one. I sold the rear tire. Aprilia showroom. So I sold the rear tire for 1000 or 1500 rupees and then got this MRF Revs S 140/70, one size up from the stock one. And after that I did some 13,000-14,000 kilometers on those tires, and now they are not gripping at all. They are slipping on hard downshifts as well as while straight line braking. So now I'm going to Prabhat Tires, which is situated somewhere close to the Pune Municipal Corporation, and they are the official dealers of Michelin tires. And this time I'm not going to make the same mistake. I'm going to get the stock tire sizes only, that is 130/70 for the rear and 180 for the front, because this 140 section that I have now is consuming a lot of fuel as well, and that is kind of significant and considerable because I'm noticing a significant drop in the mileage of the bike. So this time I'm going to get what I'm thinking is, this time I'm going to get a 130/70 Michelin Pilot Street Radial for the rear and a 180 MRF FQ1 or FY1 for the front. Now why MRF for the front? Because you don't get a 180 size in Michelin Pilot Street. Now keep this in mind. Basically never upsize the front tire. It affects the handling drastically, plus it makes your handlebar kind of stiff because of the increase in friction. And talking about the rear tires, I was confused between the Masseter, which comes in 140/70 no resize, so that is out of the scene. Second was PSDs, that is Pirelli Sports Demon 130, but since it's a very soft compound tire, it is very much prone to punctures, whereas Michelin Pilot Streets on the other hand are medium compound. So this Michelin is like the Adidas superstars of tires. One thing I wanted to tell you about these Michelins, the Michelins are running out of stock everywhere, so these dealers are charging whatever they feel like. They're asking for something 6,200 or 6,500 for 130 section tires. This dealer I found offers the least amount of pricing, that is he's giving 130/70 for just 5,050 rupees and 140 for 5,400 rupees. So all I gotta see is the contact patch. If I feel that the 130 is enough and won't slip, I don't want to run out of the tire profile while cornering, so I'll have to see which one has a proper tire profile. If I feel like taking the 140, I'll take the 141. 130 का बोल बचन, stock size का बोल बचन गया तेल लेने, because there's a difference of just 400 rupees between the two. So let's see what we get here. We are almost there. That is the TMC, that is Pune Municipal Corporation, and opposite to that is the Prabhat Tires, where I'm going. I'm not able to see the shop right now, but let's see if we can find it out in one go and get the tires replaced. I called them before coming. Let's see if we get the tire we want. They directly imports the Michelins from Thailand, and thanks to one of my friend Ishan Pandya, who suggested me this shop and said that this shop offers the best pricing for Michelins. Dude, last time I got lost here only when I was going back home after meeting Akash, Mr. Akash Dingare, the peanut-sized racer. And yeah, I had a talk with him as well. He said go for the Michelin, and he asked me to go stock size. अब जब रेसर बोला स्टॉक साइज जाने का तो स्टॉक साइज ही जाने का. So this is the shop, Prabhat Tires. Let's see if we get Michelin here. I'm going to keep the camera on as I walk into the shop. Let's see what special treatment I get as a YouTuber. Lol.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Ready, payment is done. Looks good. Right, now the bike will be able to breathe easily since it's a 130. Have been cuffing in that 140 till now. Installation is done. First impression about this tires. First thing, the bike feels way more agile and light now. The acceleration is lightning quick because I have been using a 140 till now, and this one is stock size 130. So acceleration is quick. The bike feels little low from the backside because of the radial profile of the tires, and yes, the tire is gripping well till now. Although I know even the outer layer hasn't come off till now, so that to grip the tire properly, to grip the road properly, but still it feels good and confident, inspiring. Okay, so I was saying that we came to FC Road to have the best chicken thali you have ever seen. So they give this sukha chicken plus gravy separately, and then you get either roti or bhakri ka choice. You get to choose between normal roti and bhakri ka roti, and then you get this chawal along with that in this thali, which is really special, which are called the Indriyayini chawal. Now they looks really sticky, and you'll feel like not having it rather, just like I thought of leaving it last time. But then once I had it, I was on to another level. I'm going to show you that thali, so let's go. We are going to Chaitanya, this Chaitanya Parathas on opposite to FC. That's the Ferguson College, and opposite to it is the Chaitanya Parathas, and inside that you have Surve's pure non-veg.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Okay, so I'm done with the lunch. Since we reached the hotel or the restaurant late, chicken के pieces उतने अच्छे नहीं मिले यार. Hope you can relate to this feeling if you are a non-veg. चूतिया क्या कर रहे हो? Okay, so it is 6 PM in the evening on the same day, and it is time to change the front tire now. So I'm heading out to the MRF showroom on the Bhau Patil Road. इधर देख रहा है. To change the front tire. I'll be putting the stock size 180 MRF FY1 or FQ1. The official site has puts the price tag on these tires as some 1400 rupees. So let's see how much these dealers ask for. Okay, so I'm done with the front tire installation as well. It was an eventful day. So if you like the video, do like it. अच्छा लगता है. And share तो करने वाले हो नहीं तो बोल के फायदा नहीं. Subscribe if you like this content. So this is the best combination of tires that you can get for your AS or NS 200. That's Michelin 130/70 Pilot Street radial for the rear and 180/17 MRF FX1 for the front. Cheers!